student, today's our topic is separation of mixture, which is the topic of the second chapter is matter around us pure. So what is separation of mixture? Generally mixture have two or more than two substance mixed in them. So separating these component which is present in the mixture, we need some separating technique. So separating technique, the method to be used for separating a mixture is depend on the nature of the constituent. Again I am repeating, the method to be used for separating a mixture, it depend on the nature of constituent. And the different method, the various physical method which is commonly used for separating the constituent of mixture are sublimation, magnetic separation, filtration, centrifugation and evaporation, etc. So in order to separate the mixture, we will consider the following three cases. First case, it is mixture of two solids. First case is mixture of two solids. So first case is mixture of two solids. This mixture have two components, both are present in the solid form. And the second case in mixture of solid and liquid. Mixture of solid and liquid. This is the second case. In this, this type of mixture have the two components. One is in solid form, second component it is in liquid form. Third case, it is mixture of two liquids. This is the third case. In this case, the both components have the present in the liquid form. So these are the three cases. First we will study the mixture of two solids. In this type mixture, it is generally known as heterogeneous mixture. It have the two components and both are present in the solid form. Like example, mixture of the sand and the sugar. Sugar is in solid form and sand is also present in the solid form. So this type of mixture, it come in this category. So it is this type of mixture, all the mixture containing two solid substance can be separated by one of the following method. First is by using suitable solvent. By using suitable solvent. This is the first method. In this method, generally we take an example of the sugar and plus sand. These both are the present in the solid form. For separating the both component from the mixture, we will use the suitable solvent. For this type of mixture, separating this type of mixture, the water is the suitable solvent. So first we dissolve this mixture in a water. This is the water. We dissolve this mixture in this water. It is a mixture of water, sugar and the salt. Sugar and plus sand. So the sugar is soluble in the water, but the sand is insoluble in the water. So when we put in this mixture in the water, sugar is dissolved in the water, it forms the solution, and sand is set in the bottom. So by the pouring this water, transfer this water, we will remove out the sand from this solution, and remaining solution by the evaporation we will get the pure sugar from the solution. So this is the first process for separating the mixture of two solid. The second method, it is a sublimation. This is the sublimation technique, by the process of sublimation. What is sublimation? The changing of the solid directly into the vapor on heating and of vapor into the solid on cooling, it is called the sublimation. In another simple word, we can say that the substance which is present in solid form directly convert into the gaseous form without changing into the liquid. If the mixture have the one sublimating substance, that time we will use the sublimation technique, like the mixture of ammonium chloride, which have the chloride plus salt. So generally ammonium chloride nature is sublimating, and salt it is not so the it does not show the sublimating properties. So when we heat this type of mixture, ammonium chloride convert into the vapor, and salt is left remain, and when we cool this vapor, it again convert into the pure ammonium chloride. So these are the separating technique. For the sublimating is also used for separating the mixture of two solid. And the last is the C, it is the by separating the help of the magnet. It is separating technique by using a magnet. In this method, when the one component or mixture have the magnetic property, it means it have the one component, it is iron. That time we will use the magnetic separating technique for removal of these iron particles. If the mixture of the iron powder and the salt or a sand, that time when we took the magnet near of the iron filling, it is stick on the magnet, and we will remove easily iron filling from the mixture. So these are the technique to separate the mixture of two solids. In next lecture or in video, we will study the separating technique for separation of the mixture of solid and the liquid. Thank you.